Hello students, welcome to another lecture of the chapter Dissolution of Partnership Firm. So, in this lecture, we'll be solving one more full-fledged question for practice, that is question number 8 of homework section of study material. So in last lecture we solved question number 7 and I explained you how to make realization account, partners capital account and balance sheet, right? Similarly, today we'll be solving question which has all these three components, right? So let's begin. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 2 is to 1 is to 1. Their balance sheet as of 31st March 2022 was as follows. Creditors 50,000, capital accounts A, B and C 80, 80 and 60,000. Okay, liability side has creditors. Then assets have goodwill, land and building, plant and machinery, car, debtors and cash. The firm was dissolved and the assets realized goodwill rupees 20,000, land and building rupees 1 lakh, plant and machinery 50,000, car 28,000 and debtors 50% of the book value. Realization expenses were 2,000. Prepare realization account, capital account of partners and cash account to close the books of the firm. So let's begin. Come on. First, our first event is to close the assets. Yes. So when we close the assets, come on, assets have which balance? Debit balance. Now, if they have to be closed, they are credited. So general entry for that is realization account debit to sundry assets. Account debit to sundry assets account. Yes, I also taught you that assets get closed in the realization account at which side? Debit side, right? So first let's prepare the format. Come on, pause the video and prepare the format. Realization account, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. This is debit and this is credit. Clear everyone? Come on. So our first entry is to close the assets. So realization account debit to assets account. So in realization it will be two assets or two sundry assets. So two sundry assets. Yes. So let's close all the assets by transferring them. Goodwill. Now there is a new thing in this question. Goodwill is also given. No problem. In unlike other chapters, we used to distribute existing goodwill among the partners. But when there is a solution, goodwill treatment is same like other assets. Even though it is intangible asset, it has same treatment. It gets closed with realization and its settlement is also done. Clear? So goodwill 30,000. So we'll transfer goodwill as well in the realization account. Understood? So goodwill it is 30,000. Then we have land and building 80,000. 80,000. Then after land and building we have plant and machinery 56,000. 50,000, 56,000 plant and machinery. Next thing we have car 54,000 value. Car 54,000. Then after car we have debtors 48,000. Debtors 48,000. Clear everyone? And cash or bank balance we do not transfer in realization account. Clear? So let's just total and write the amount outside. That would come 2,68,000 I guess. Yes. Let's just check. It will be 8 plus 4, 12 and 6, 7, 8, 18. Yeah. Yes, 3, 1, 4, 8 and 4, 12 and 5, 17 and 5, 22. 22 and 4 gives us 26, right? 2,68,000 is the total. Got it everyone? Come on, let's proceed. After that, now we need to close the liabilities, right? So for closing liabilities, liabilities have which balance? Credit balance. But when you close them, entry becomes liability account debit. Liabilities account debit to realization account. Clear? So liability account debit to realization account. So in realization if we have to post buy liabilities. So in liabilities we have only creditors. So buy creditors. Yes, how much amount creditors is given? 50,000. it everyone? Understood? Come on. So all the things related to balance sheet is done. Now let's come down. The firm was dissolved and asset realized. When assets will realize, money will come in. Now see, you have closed the assets in debit side, so their realization will take place. I have explained you opposite side, right? So by bank account, by cash I am writing because in this question cash account is given. Clear? So by cash account, whatever assets are realized, goodwill realized at 20,000, amount will be writing inside, will 20,000. Then after goodwill we have land and building 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Clear? After land and building, we have car 28,000, car 28,000, plant and machinery 50,000, that was skipped. So plant 50,000, let me just see. Plant 50,000. Total plant we had car 28,000, data's 50% of book value. So data's book value was 48. So 50% is 24,000. So data's 24,000. Putting the total outside, how much total cash is realized? Let's just see, 8 plus 4 gives us 12. 8 plus 4, 12, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 1, 1, 2, 2 lakh 22,000. Yes, let me just check. It is 8 plus 4, 12, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 10, 11, 12, 2, 2, correct. 2,22,000, right, for the realization of assets. Next is realization expenses. But before proceeding, we had liability creditors 50,000. No information is given about realization or payment of liability. Yes, so it is assumed that liability is paid at its book value. Clear? I'm explaining once again, if no information is given about payment of liability, you have to assume that yes, liability is being paid at its book value, even though no information is given in the question. So first of all, let's make payment of creditors. So now when we in realization, it was written as by creditors. So its settlement will take place at opposite side, that is to bank or to cash account, right? To cash account for creditors. Payment of creditors, what it will be, how much at its book value only creditors will be paid, because no information is given, still you have to pay the liabilities. Clear? Then next information was given related to realization expenses. You know very well entry realization expenses. So realization borne by firm, paid by firm. Realization account debit to cash or bank account, right? So realization account debit to cash account. So to cash account for expenses. Clear everyone? How much amount were there? 2,000. Clear? Done everyone? All the things are completed. Come on now. Let's do the total of debit side. So let's do the total of debit side. So it will come 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5 will give us 12. 2 plus 1, 3. 3,20,000 and minus, yes, credit side total will give us 2,72,000. 2,72,000. Let's subtract. So our credit side is shorter, right? 0, 0, 0. 10 minus 2 gives us 8. 11 minus 7 gives us 4. 48,000. So buy side is shorter, by loss on realization, and that comes to be 48,000. Let's divide it among the partners in partners capital A, B and C. So A's capital account, capital account, clear everyone, A, B and C, but ratio is given 2 is to 1 is to 1. So 48,000 into 2 is to 1 is to 1, that means 2 by 4, right? So 4 what's are 48? 12 fours are 40. No? So 12 twos are 24,000. 2 is to 1 is to 1. 12,000 and 12,000. Outside 48,000. Clear everyone? Come on, let's apply the total of greater side on both the sides. That was 3,20,000 debit side total. 3,20,000, 3,20,000. Let's sketch the line to end the realization account. Clear everyone? Understood? So assets closed at two side, two sundry assets, liability closed by creditors. Now wherever they are closed, their settlement takes place at opposite side. So when we talk about assets, it was by cash, whatever assets realized. If no information about payment of outside liability is given, it is compulsory to pay the outside liabilities, right, to cash as we paid this, right, at its book value. Clear everyone? Understood? Come on, now let's prepare partners capital account. This is the debit side, credit side, particulars, A amount, B amount, C amount, particulars, A amount, B amount, C amount. Clear everyone? So let's start with buy balance brought down, right? So buy balance brought down, what is the balance of partners capital given as per balance sheet? 88,000, 80,000, 60. So 80,000, 80,000 and 60,000. Clear everyone? Understood? Next is, let's check the balance sheet if any accumulated profit, accumulated loss, fictitious asset is given or general reserve is given. No, nothing is given as per balance sheet. No, nothing will be distributed. Come on, let's check now realization account. Anywhere any partner's name is coming. So if we see no partner has taken over any asset or has paid any liability, direct by loss on realization was there. So opposite side, to realization account, to realization account, right? To realization 24,000, 12,000, 12,000. Here everyone done. Nowhere else realization in realization account partners capital word has come, and also there is no general reserve or accumulated profit, accumulated loss or any fictitious asset to be distributed among the partners. Clear? Come on, now let's find out the balance. But balance is whatever balance is left that partner takes home. Yes, because we have studied the process. First, outside liabilities are paid. Then, if any partner has given loan, so that loan is being paid by the firm. Third, any account of capital balances if have, that is paid to the partners. So this, if in partners capital any balance come, that will be paid to partners. So to cash account. Clear? 80,000 minus 24,000. So this will give us 10 minus 4 gives us 6 and 7 minus 2 gives us 5. 56,000. Yes, for A. Then 80 minus 12, that will give us 10 minus 2 gives us 8 and 7 minus 68,000. 60 minus 10 gives us 48,000. Here let's put the total of greater side, that is 80,000, 80,000, 60,000. Here everyone, let's sketch the line to end the partner's capital account. Come on, now our next step is to prepare cash account, because in this question cash account balance is given. If bank account balance is there, we prepare bank account. Clear? So particulars, We start with cash as debit balance, to balance brought down. To balance brought down, given balance for cash is 2000 rupees. Given in the balance sheet, right? 2000 rupees. Clear? Next, what I have taught you, see the realization account. Wherever cash word has come, post it in the opposite side in the cash account. So first of all, we have this buy cash. Yes, you can see buy cash for assets realized. So this will go where? In cash account to realization. Clear? To realization account. Bracket assets realized. And final amount, how much assets realized. Assets realized given in the question is 2,22,000. Yes, you can see this. Yes, 2,22,000. See the realization account again. Where word cash account has come. Come on, it has come here to cash account. You can see I have highlighted to cash account. So in cash account, where it will go? By realization, right? Yes, so it will be by realization. Creditors information we are writing in bracket, and how much we had paid for creditors, 50,000, right? So by creditors 50,000. Come on, let's see realization again. There was again to cash, right? For payment of expenses 2000 rupees, it will go in cash account, opposite side by realization account. By realization account for expenses, yes, 2000. Clear? So realization account we have seen clearly. Wherever cash word was there, we have just posted opposite side in cash account. Similarly for partners capital, wherever cash word is there, here it is to cash account. Right? You can see to cash account. So it will be posted with side opposite side, that is by realization. Realization account. By partners capital, because we are posting from, very sorry, we are posting from partners capital. Yes, so by partners capital, instead of writing partners capital individual name, by A's capital account, right? How much A's capital account is there? 56,000 amount. B's capital account, yes, amount is 68,000. And by one more, C's capital account, amount for it is 48,000. Clear everyone? Understood? Come on. So posting of wherever cash word has come in about two accounts, we have posted it in the cash account at opposite side. So in all the posting completed, let's put the total. Our cash account must match because there would be no cash balance left with the firm. Firm is getting wound up or wind up. Here what happens? Here whatever excess cash was there in the partners capital, whatever balance was there, that balance is withdrawn by the partners. Instead of writing to balance carried down, we say what? To cash account, because whatever balance of capital was coming, the partners withdraw it, right? Come on, now let's see, it will be 2,24,000 total of debit side. Yeah, let's see the total of credit side, that is 000. 8 8 16 plus 17 18, 18 and 6 gives us 24. 4 to carry over, 5 6 7, 7 and 5 12, 12 and 6 18, 18 plus 4 22. So 2,24,000 is the total of both the sides. So in this way our cash account matches. We have prepared three accounts: realization account, partners capital and cash account. Clear? So next lecture we'll be studying new question with new concept. In this there was also one new concept that was related to goodwill, right? So already goodwill is existing in balance sheet, so don't distribute in partners capital. It is treated like just any other asset. It gets closed with realization, and whatever it is realized, money is realized out of it, that is written as by cash. You can see, right? By cash goodwill 20,000. Understood? So next lecture we'll be studying new topic. Till then, bye bye. Take care and keep practicing.